It's all heating up in the cup. A win will push them closer to glory. A loss makes the road much harder. The pressure's on. Hello and thanks for joining us live here on EATV. And joining me, Guy Mowbray, for commentary is the midfielder turned expert analyst Stuart Robson. And we're all set for another UEFA Europa League fixture here. What can we expect from the game then?
Well, they've been very good so far, and these fans have certainly seen some exciting football. Let's hope they get the job.
This is looking good. What next? Well, this is a superb run. And trying his luck. And a superb block. The referee points to the spot. Penalty. This for 1-0. A failure from the spot, a triumph for the keeper. Lyman. Keeps it out and crucially keeps it away. Oh, they've nicked it and can now push forward. Good ball that could be in. Oh, what a tackle to break up the play.
What a piece of defending that was.
There is the full-time whistle, and they're not there yet. With results as they are today, they'll need to go again to guarantee a round of...
A league meeting of considerable resonance. A lot riding on this one today, with both teams ready to leave no stone unturned in their quest for success. A match that ought to tantalise. We're live on EATV. And hello from Germany's Autostadt, the Motor City, Wolfsburg. This is the scene here at the Volkswagen Arena. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And looking forward to bringing you action from the Bundesliga. What might we see today?
Well, the atmosphere is building nicely here, and we've got two teams who like to play good football. Let's hope we get a good game here. It should be.
And a look at the starting 11 for Wolfsburg.
Well, it's a 4-5-1, so they will be very compact out of possession, but they'll need to break forward quickly when they win the ball back, and key to that will be the wide players.
Brilliant pass. And it's in! 1-0. They breached the defence.
Well, here's the replay. The pass over the top has just the right amount of pace on it, and that's a very good header under a lot of pressure, it has to be said. Great goal.
1-0 then. Svanberg, and moving it forward. And this to level it. Real chance. And a goal! An end-to-end game, and they weren't behind for long. Clever defending.
It's differently to any other game. He's just got to forget the crowd and go out and play.
Well, there was impending danger, but good defending. Svanberg. Could be troublesome. And snuffing out the danger. Aguilar. Good visualisation and execution. Trying to find a way through. And it's in! They're back in front! Stunning scenes here!
Well, here's the goal again, and it's a really nice ball to put him through. The vision to set up the chance is outstanding, and from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
And just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages. Well, no time to waste. Can they find an equaliser? And there it is, the full-time whistle here, and it's a victory for the visitors.
Well, Derek, it was very competitive. Chances at both ends, but I feel they were the better team.
A courageous call enveloping the game with a star player left on the bench. And welcome on a rainy night. The heavens opened earlier and it just hasn't relented. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, and my partner, ready to bring you all the analysis and technical talk, is Stuart Robson. And awaiting the two clubs is the final test in the league phase in this season's UEFA Europa League. What are you expecting?
These fans will be slightly nervous today. This is a massive game for the club. They just need to hold their nerve here.
Oh, it comes to nothing in the end. Really should have made more of that. And now with Aguilar. He's in here. Consolidates the push for a place in the knockout stages.
Well, as you can see, he doesn't mess about here, does he? He's strong, well-balanced and skillful. That's a top-class finish.
So the match is restarted, 1-0 here. Well, a playoff place already guaranteed, and they're across the touchline, so a throw in here. And the pass was just that little bit off. Nearly found its target. An effective challenge. What can they do from here? And played in. In it goes! And that really consolidates the push for a place in the knockout stages.
Well, here it is again, and what a perfect cross into the box this is. Just inviting someone to attack it, and it's a great header under a lot of pressure. Does so well to control that. It's a superb goal.
So the ball rolling again, 2-0. And Ramirez has it. Now with Olise. Mancini. Well, just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages here. Michael Olise. And there it is, the half-time whistle. Well, it's a nerve-jangling situation.
electric as two teams worthy of the biggest stage prepare to collide in front of a packed stadium. The weather outside may be frightful, but we've got everything crossed for a delightful game to enjoy. I'm your commentator, Guy Mowbray, delighted to be in the company of Stuart Robson. And we've got a Bundesliga game for you on the way. What are your expectations from this?
As is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
Chance to cross here. And they've scored! The first goal of a tight game. Taking the lead, and there's not long left to hang on to it as we go again. And a real sense of urgency here. Could they equalise from this? Well, with full time approaching, the bulk of the crowd won't be happy with how things stand and not long to remedy it.
Well, they've certainly lacked a goal threat up to this point. There's been little invention, no real combination play around the box, and the crosses have been erratic. But there is still time to find that moment of inspiration.
And the threat has gone with the keeper in control. Trincao. Oh, what a dreadful tackle. And the name has been taken for that.
Well, no debate over that one. It's a yellow card all day long.
Well, that brings the match to a close. A frustrating day for the fans in attendance, and it's 3 points.